Okay, welcome again to Kim's Bioproduction Academy. Today, let's discuss briefly about the twins. We have two forms of twinning. A female can get an identical twin, or the non-identical twin, or even some multiple birth. So when you speak about identical twinning, this whereby one of the egg is released, that egg is being fertilized by one sperm. Once it's being fertilized by one sperm, what follows? The next thing that follows is now the division of mitotic division of that fertilized egg, and we form two eggs which will develop to two different embryos, but inside one placenta. So this one, they will be sharing the same genes. They will just be identical because of the genes are just similar. They will be of the same sex. They will be of the same sex. Even the intellectual capacity will just be the same. The only difference that can bring about this one is when we separate them and place them in different environments. Let's say in terms of education system, one to be in a good performing school and the other one to be in a different school which is not well performing, the results comes different from that point now. The second one is the non-identical twins. The non-identical twins, what happens in the non-identical twins? This is whereby two of the ova are released during the ovulation time, and both of those two eggs are being fertilized. When they're being fertilized now, that is where we'll have twins, but they are non-identical, because even those twins, they are not necessarily to be of the same sex. They can be of the same sex or different, but they're not what? They're not alike. They're just like the other normal brothers and sisters. So that's what we're speaking. And these one again, they will be developing fully. From which point? From the different placenta. So it's a different placenta that these embryos will be developing. Then we have the multiple what? Multiple birth. Multiple birth, this happens majorly to females who are undergo some treatment. They're being given somewhat they are given some hormones, and these hormones we are speaking about, it's about those female who the ovulation is they have low ovulation rate, so they're supplemented with some hormones, and these hormones is to make them to release what? Their eggs. And so because of this one, there might be chances of many eggs being released at that time. And because of this one, if they are released to around 5, those 5 eggs will be fertilized, and this female will have 5 embryos developing at that same time. That is it. So hope you have understood and known about how these twins arise. Thank you very much.